Hello there, my name is Josie from Finest Laya. Last night, my old friend called insomnia creeped up on me again. I had the hardest time going to sleep. It took me around 2 to 3 cups of chamomile before I finally went to sleep. And of course, when I woke up this morning, I felt very tired. I usually wake up around between 6 and 7 a.m. So to be proactive, I thought of starting to unwind and in the hope of going to sleep early tonight. So I thought of making a pot of chamomile with spearmint. I like this blend of tea. It's soothing and I like the taste. My husband will join me in a little while after I make this tea to share with him. So I'm going to show you how I make my cup of chamomile with spearmint tea. So this is our chamomile tea. It's about 2 teaspoons and the spearmint. This spearmint is fresh. It came from my garden. So fragrant. It's organic. So let's put in our chamomile into the teapot. We pour the hot water. And put in our spearmint. It's already very aromatic. We're going to steep it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, let us check our tea. So aromatic. Look. Give it a stir. Now we're ready to serve. Very, very fragrant. The color is pale yellow. I'm going to flavor with honey. Just a little bit of honey. There. So fragrant. There you have it. I'm going to call my husband to share with me this wonderful chamomile with spearmint. Ned,
Good afternoon. Actually, good evening. It's getting toward 7:30.
Yes.
Before it's going to be 8:30. And around 8:30, I like to start preparing for bed. I usually don't make it till 9:30 or 10, but before I do go to bed, I like to have a little cup of tea. And what I usually have is plain old black tea with a little bit of milk, a little bit of sugar. And to be quite honest, in the evening, about time to go to bed, that is a little bit heavy on my stomach. So Josie is always coming up with new things, and one of the things that she came up with, of course, is Laya, which is a wonderful tea of turmeric, ginger, and a little bit of orange peel. But another one that she's come up with lately that is really tasty is this wonderful thing called chamomile with spearmint from our garden. And it is so tasty. You should go out and get you a little bit of chamomile and get a little bit of spearmint to go in it, and it makes the most refreshing bedtime tea you can imagine.
Yes.
We're getting ready to have some. I think Josie has been preparing it, and we're going to share it now with each other and with you, hoping that it will help you with your nighttime tea drinking, nighttime preparing for bed. It's a really, really tasty tea. It's a refreshing taste cup of tea, and after I've had it, it's not long before I'm asleep. So let's have some and show you what it looks like. It's a very clear yellow cup of tea, but it is so fragrant. It is just, you can almost sit and smell it. It's so nice. And I'm going to sip mine. So cheers. And you know, a lot of people think that as the weather gets
So
warmer,
refreshing.
that you drink cold tea. And that's what people do here a lot of. But a nice cup of hot tea, sipped slowly, is something that can really, really stabilize your body temperature so that it is very comfortable in the ambient temperature that exists outside. And here right now, I think it's about 80 degrees. And I'm doing some work outside, I'm doing some work at my desk. And this is a really, really refreshing cup that will help me do all of those and get ready for bed.
And for me, it helps me to unwind, and hopefully we'll go to bed early tonight. So
sleep when she goes to bed early.
But anyway, this is a very nice cup of tea, very relaxing and refreshing. You try it yourself if you have the chance, and see how you like it. This is all for now. You take good care, you stay healthy, and we'll see you again next time.
Peace.
Peace.
We need it.
Bye from us.
Bye-bye.